In this lecture, we will discuss about relative frequency and percent frequency distributions. Creating a frequency distribution tells us about the number of items in each class. However, we are often interested in the proportion or percentage of items in each class. This is where relative frequency and percent frequency distributions comes in. To calculate the relative frequency of a class, we have to divide the number of items in that class by the total number of items in the data set. Continuing with the example that I took in the last lecture, the relative frequency of Nike would be 19 divided by 50, and this is equal to 0.38. By doing the same calculation for all the classes, we can get our relative frequency distribution table as shown here. Once we have got the relative frequency, we just need to multiply it by 100 to get the percent frequency. Let's see what have we got now. Looking at the table presented here, we can see that 38% of the people prefer Nike, 16% prefer Reebok, 10% prefer Woodland, and so on. It can also be concluded that 80% of the people prefer Nike, Reebok, or Adidas.